Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to show you a quick and easy way to grab a free $100 Crocs promo code. This method is super simple. First, head over to escapon.co/crocs or scan the QR code displayed on the video with your smartphone camera to access the site. Once you're on the page, the first step is to enter your email address. This is important because your $100 promo code will be sent directly to your inbox. Next, you'll need to choose whether you're using an Apple or Android device. Now, the site will begin generating your promo code. Don't worry, this only takes a few moments. It's one of the quickest ways to get $100 off your next Crocs purchase. Your promo code is almost ready, but there's one final step. To verify that you're a real person and not a bot, the site will ask you to confirm your identity by downloading 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These apps are always free, so there's no cost involved. You can choose any 2 apps that are available. There's no need to select the same ones I'm downloading. If an app doesn't download properly, just pick a third app as a backup. I'm currently downloading my second app, and once both apps are installed, you'll need to open and use each one for about a minute. Some apps might ask you to complete a quick survey or sign up. So if that happens, just follow the instructions to ensure the verification process goes smoothly. Once you've used the apps for the required time, head back to your email and refresh the page. Your $100 Crocs promo code should be sitting in your inbox, ready to use. It's really that simple. I'm refreshing my email now, and there it is, my free Crocs promo code. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel.